Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy, and today on this video we are going to be learning how to make these really amazing pancake bites. These are really easy to make and you can use them as snacks for your kids, and they're really ideal for breakfast and they take the shortest time to make. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button because I know you'll want to refer to this recipe later on if you're not making it now. So kindly hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you're going to be notified. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of sugar, you can add or reduce, 5 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 2 eggs, half a cup of raisins, and 1.5 cup of milk.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So guys, in a large bowl you're going to beat your eggs. So you can beat your eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after beating your eggs, you're going to add in your melted butter or margarine. You will also add your vanilla essence. And then you're going to add in your milk. So you're going to beat your mixture until it's well combined. So in another bowl you're going to whisk your dry ingredients, so that includes your flour, baking powder, and lastly your sugar. So again you're going to mix your dry ingredients until they are well and nicely combined. So the next step is to mix your dry and your wet ingredients, and you'll be adding in your dry ingredients in 2 installments. So this is the first installment you're going to add, and then you're just going to mix until it's nicely combined.
I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want.
And then you're going to add in your second installment of flour, and then again you're going to mix until it's well combined. So lastly you're going to add in your raisins. So when it comes to raisins, you can add as much as you want, because I know there are some people who don't like raisins. So if you don't like, you can as well not add them, but if you like them you can add as much as you want. And then after just adding, you're going to continue mixing.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
So the next step is to properly grease your cupcake tin.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
So the next step is to pour in your butter, 3/4 full.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
So I'm just going to clean up my tin because you don't want it looking all messy.
You got a whole other meaning.
So the next step is to drop in a couple of raisins, as I'm doing in the video, if you like raisins as much as I do.
We're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with.
And then you're going to bake this for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown. So after baking for 10 to 15 minutes, this is exactly what you're gonna get. Really nice pancake bites. So these are really easy to make, as you can see, and you can just do this within 30 minutes, you're done. So guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed my video. As you can see, they're really sumptuous. You can just have a look at the inside part of the pancake bites. So you can really make these at home for your kids, for their snacks. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do hit the subscribe button because you will want to refer to this recipe. And I really do hope that you're going to share and like the video as well, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.